Best detailing clay bars remove embedded contaminants, restore paint smoothness, enhance shine, and prepare surfaces for flawless waxing or polishing. My today's video is about top 5 best detailing clay bars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wantolf Clay Bar Kit. The Wantolf All-in-One Clay Bar Kit delivers an impressive car detailing experience for both beginners and professionals. With 4 premium 100G clay bars, lubricant tablets, a spray bottle, and a microfiber towel, this kit provides everything needed for deep surface decontamination and paint restoration. The ultrafine clay material glides smoothly across surfaces, safely removing stubborn contaminants like oxidation, iron particles, tree sap, acid rain residue, and road grime without scratching delicate paintwork. What makes this kit stand out is its reusable and flexible clay design, allowing users to fold and refresh the surface for extended use. The included clay lubricant tablets are easy to prepare and create an extremely slick surface that minimizes friction while extending the clay bar's lifespan. It works exceptionally well on paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, and even motorcycles or furniture. Overall, the Wantolf Clay Bar Kit is a practical, value-packed solution for achieving a smooth, glossy, showroom-quality finish. Now our second product is Chemical Guys Complete Clay Kit. The Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Butter Wet Wax combo delivers a professional-grade detailing experience that dramatically improves your vehicle's appearance and paint finish. The clay bar effectively removes bonded contaminants, road grime, industrial fallout, and embedded debris that regular washing cannot eliminate. As it glides across the paint, it restores a perfectly smooth surface, making the vehicle fully prepared for polishing or waxing. What truly elevates this kit is the Butter Wet Wax formula. Its creamy liquid consistency spreads effortlessly and buffs off with minimal effort, leaving behind a deep, glossy, wet look shine that enhances paint depth and reflection within minutes. The wax also adds a protective layer that helps maintain the freshly detailed finish longer, ideal for both beginners and experienced detailers. This product combination offers simplicity, effectiveness, and impressive visual results. Chemical Guys has built a strong reputation in the detailing world, and this kit showcases why enthusiasts trust the brand for premium car care and showroom quality finishes. Our third product is Chemical Guys Clay Bar Kit. The Chemical Guys Complete Clay System, CLY 700, is an outstanding all-in-one detailing kit designed to restore your vehicle's paint to a smooth, showroom-quality finish. This complete package includes everything needed for professional-grade decontamination, including a premium clay bar, clay lubricant, applicator, towel, and detailing accessories. The clay bar effectively removes stubborn contaminants like overspray, brake dust, rail dust, industrial fallout, and embedded grime that regular washing leaves behind. The included clay luber formula provides exceptional lubrication, allowing the clay to glide effortlessly across surfaces while minimizing scratches or marring. After treatment, the paint feels incredibly smooth and becomes perfectly prepared for wax, polish, ceramic coating, or sealant application, improving both shine and protection durability. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is its versatility. It's safe for cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, boats, chrome, glass, plastic, and paint protection films. Whether you're a beginner or experienced detailer, this kit delivers professional results with ease and reliability. Now number 4, Allguard Store Clutch Gloss Quick Detailer Formulated. This advanced detailing spray delivers impressive versatility and professional-level performance for maintaining a flawless vehicle finish. Designed for quick detailing, it effortlessly removes light dust, fingerprints, and surface contamination without leaving streaks, especially on glass and windows. The formula also works exceptionally well as a drying aid, reducing towel drag and minimizing the risk of swirl marks while helping water sheet off faster for a smoother drying process. One of its standout features is the SHIO2 trimolecular technology, which creates a stronger and more durable protective bond compared to standard SiO2 formulas. This innovative chemistry enhances gloss, depth, and paint protection while keeping surfaces slick and hydrophobic between washes. The spray doubles as an excellent clay lubricant, providing a super slick surface that reduces friction and protects paint during decontamination. Safe for paint, chrome, wheels, glass, and trim, it's truly an all-in-one detailing solution. The heavy-duty trigger sprayer adds comfort and durability, making frequent detailing easier and more efficient. And our last choice is Xperchimi Car Clay Bars Auto Detailing 4-Pack. This premium clay bar kit delivers an excellent paint decontamination experience for anyone seeking a professional-level finish at home. The ultrafine clay material feels soft, pliable, and safe on delicate surfaces, making it ideal for painted panels, clear coats, chrome, glass, and metal trim. It effectively removes bonded contaminants such as overspray, rail dust, bug residue, industrial fallout, and environmental pollutants that normal washing simply cannot eliminate. One of the most impressive results is the transformation in paint texture. After use, rough and gritty surfaces become remarkably smooth with a glass-like finish that enhances gloss and prepares the vehicle perfectly for waxing or polishing. The included lubricant tablets are also highly convenient. Just mix one with water in the spray bottle to create a slick lubricant that allows the clay to glide smoothly while preventing scratches or marring. Its versatility is another major advantage, working exceptionally well on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, windows, and headlights. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-use detailing solution with professional quality results. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.